Happy SONGKRAN. It's 5:45. Friday the 13th, yeah?
13th, yeah.
Friday the 13th. It's Happy SONGKRAN. SONGKRAN is supposed to be a 3-day public holiday, yeah? Not in our camp. All our hands to the pump. We're feeling it's coming along. The little house, what's it called?
Can't know it.
Yeah, exactly. It's now taking shape. We're all getting ready for a SONGKRAN evening meal. The little house is starting to take shape. There's been no stops. This is my first video today. Pond's filling up nicely. And there's one thing seriously missing, and has been missing for quite a few days. So we're going to go and get the kids. The kids being Liver and Bird. All heavy machine work has been done. All the macros and tractor work has been done. The house is coming along. This end's going to be the kitchen, bedroom. It's getting extended, but we can extend as we go, and it's taking shape nicely. They suggested going out and buying timber, and why do we need to go out and buy timber when we just go to the family farm and they cut down the paper tree? Because they own the paper trees, so we cut them down, strip them of the bark, and there you go. Sanchan's just been off to get more. Supat is stripping the bark. We're off to pick up the kids. We're taking a chance on going on the sidecar with the gimbal. iPhone's waterproof, gimbal's not. SONGKRAN season, SONGKRAN celebration. Happy SONGKRAN. So I think we hit 39 degrees today. Clouded over a bit. We can throw covers over the tyres to protect the tyres. Popeye other cartoon characters are available. Need a trip in a washing machine. Go baby ice to beep beep.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep.
There you go, making sure the horns work, because there's no horn on the bike. So the key's in it. Yeah, there's the key. So you're getting on board. You need to sit baby ice on the edge. Get on. Sit baby ice on the edge, make baby ice the target. You need to get inside.
Oh, baby ice is here.
Yeah, baby ice can be the target. Then you can. No, you sit in the corner.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna move when baby I move.
I was just thinking of kids and buckets of water, and so if the camera all of a sudden goes pear-shaped, then we know why. But we're going to pick the 2 dogs up for the first trip on the sidecar. Okay, you can be the gimbaler. Happy SONGKRAN. I've got a sign squeeze on the back. So it might be a bit noisy. You probably get loads of shots of the blue roof. Because the loved one doesn't gimbal properly. Excuse me. This is English version.
Yeah.
What's happened to my mirrors?
They keep. You see that screw come out, yeah?
Yeah, it's got to go back for a bit of welding.
May
as well take them off actually.
I think better so I sit at the side and then I can see you then.
Oh, well go on then. Well, you
see?
Yeah, go on. Fine.
No,
sit
fine.
baby ice there then.
Sit
Come on. Don't make show me start. Don't even know. You know one thing that annoys me with this bike?
What?
Every time I stop it, I stop it in neutral. Yeah? Every time someone else stops it, or other people stop it, it doesn't get stopped in neutral. Why it doesn't get stopped in neutral?
Battery low?
I have no idea.
I don't know how long got it's going for, but battery low.
It's in neutral, it stops. Here we
the
come.
bride.
I don't want you to video me. I want you to video me. Video baby ice smiling.
Bye. Give. Bye. Oh, balik. Sa silikon.
Back. How are you? What's the
Going.
plan? Mike, are you going like that with it? Are you trying to keep it stable?
Like this. Go like this.
Sorry about that.
Oh.
Might make it.
Oh.
Got me! Hopefully no more. You got me. That's what it's all about.
Now we home.
Happy birthday, boy.
Okay.
Relax.
Welcome.
You want to get it?
Huh.
You want to get yours?
Hang on.
Hello,
You made
honey,
it.
Huh?
Honey,
Did you video me wet?
Yeah.
honey.
No, I don't see when you get through.
Hold on.
บอกว่าผู้บ้านเชิญเราพะนี่
Oh, จ้า
จ้า
Got me.
มาแฮปปี้เบิร์ดเดย์แฮปปี้เบิร์ดเดย์
Happy birthday.
สันบอยหลานผู้บ้านหลานผู้บ้านจ้ามีบ้านไม่ได้เลยเอาไปเบียร์
เอาแล้วจ้า
จ้า
อันเปิดตะกี้รถไปอันเขาเจ้าไอ้โอ้น้ำไปเอาเบี้ยน้ำมาดิวะ
So what's going on with the gimbal? Where's the kids?
อันถามเขาเจ้าเด้อเขาเจ้าว่าบ่ได้อันนี้มันจะมี
Where are the kids at?
ไปแล้วก็เลยบ่ได้เอาไป
Kids are normally there. Live, bird.
งวดนู่นหมดละเฮ็ดอันคุดอีกซะนึงหมดละ
I think the battery's going on the gimbal.
จ้า
They're knocking around somewhere. So yeah, so we'll there they are. You going home? Hello. Where's the other one? Oh, gimbal's gone mad. Gimbal's fine as long as you keep the batteries short. Hello. You're going home. And your eyes all better, and you're looking, feeling sorry for yourself because you're being locked out. Don't know. Where's Liver? Do we know? Right. Well, we'll sort ourselves out. Put you on the bike. Take you home. Yeah. And look at me. And we'll see you later. How am I going to turn this off now? Hey, how am I going to do this now? You're looking at 100% better recovered. I know you want scratching. Hang on. Let me turn this off and we'll unlock you. Well, unlock the gate. See you later.